So what apps are draining your battery the most and the fastest? This video is going to explain it to you. So if you're first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So you have to just go to the settings app as such, and from the menus on the main page, scroll a little bit until you find a battery. And this is going to give you all of the details about it. So it's telling me that 3 days and 3 hours left, right? 75% available. The data is kind of like this, but below we have the usage chart, right? So as you can see, we can kind of like manage it. When I click on view details, it's going to expand the view. And I have like this mode where I can see it for today. I can go back in a time and see how the battery got depleted, how it got charged, and so on, right? So I can see the battery activity. But the important part is that in here you can also see the apps which you have been using or which apps have been draining the battery. So for example, today from, let's say, at 15 p.m. or 15 o'clock, right, so which is 3 p.m., you can see that the most commonly used apps were One UI home screen, right? So I was just on the home screen. This was for 41 minutes and it took 2.3% of the battery capacity. Then we have the My Files app, Google Chrome, and so on, right? So you can go back in the time and choose it for a different day, right? So on the May 13th, right, you can see that this is the usage for that day, and you can see it visually in the chart, and also the apps which you have been using the most, right? So as you can see, I have like the VLC player. I've used it for plenty of different times. You can see how much mobile data I used, how many times I clicked on it, and so on, right? So plenty of different things which you can go through and see which apps are using the most amount of your battery power. So that's how you can go through it. This is very extensive data if you pay attention to it, but that's going to be about it. I really hope that I was able to show you how it works. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.